So that just unclips. Ignition coil. Then just remove these start bits, and that will pop up. So you just do it evenly, so you're not bending or warping the pack. And just lift them up. So just one by one we'll check the spark plugs. If the vehicle hesitates, it could be due to the incorrect gapping. If we had a feeler gauge, you would check the gapping. Check the electrode for wear and tear and melted or white deposits. Now, using a wire brush, just gently brush against it, but just be careful of the electrode. So until it looks something similar to that. On the cluster inspection, spark plug number 2, there is oil present, which has gone back on the previous video with the head gasket blown. So probably this is what causing the misfire as well. Well, it's not doing the engine much good. We're just going to use this as a guideline. That and a little bit of that as well. This one here, I like to add, it could be a blown head. It could be a blown head gasket as well. And then down here, this is an old one because we don't have a carburetor. Ours is fuel injected. Principles are still the same. So when you come to fit the spark plug back in to the engine, just be very careful you don't cross thread anything. So we're going to use it this way, and then gently just tighten it in. Don't force it or nothing. Just gently turn it in. Just do it hand tight at the moment. And then just quarter of a turn. And that's it. And then repeat for the other 3 as well.